Particular application problem, we have a design engineer building an arch. He uses the equation h equals negative d squared plus 16, where h is the height in meters and d is the horizontal distance in meters from the center of the arch. Now, this engineer wants to place a banner on the arch to celebrate the Newtonville Fair. If the banner is placed at a height of 12 meters, how wide should the banner be? Well, first let's look at our equation that's given to us, h equals negative d squared plus 16, and identify our a, p, and q. Well, a is negative 1, so that's my a. And whenever we said we're missing those brackets, we can recreate them just so we can remind ourselves what that p is. And p is 0. And q is positive 16, which means that the vertex point of that arch is 0 and 16, right here. So the horizontal distance is 0, and the vertical height of that arch is 16. Now, the banner will be placed at the height of 12 meters. And since we know that the parabola is symmetrical, that height of 12 meters will be met twice. Once on the left side of the center at 12 meters, and once on the right side of the center at 12 meters. Now, if we go back to meet that horizontal distance, since my parabola is symmetrical, I know the two distances are equal. From the center of that arch to the left and to the right, I will have the same number of meters that will form that banner. So how can I figure out what does the horizontal distance of that banner should be? Well, if the height is 12, I'm going to replace the height with 12, equal negative d squared plus 16. And right now we just have to find the values of d that satisfy this equation. So 12 minus 16 equals negative d squared. Negative 4 equals negative d squared. Now we can divide both sides by negative 1 to get rid of the negative signs, and we have 4 equals d squared. And we learned that we can square root both sides, which means that d can be either positive 2 or negative 2. Now, the distance cannot be a negative number, right? So the distance is a positive number of meters. So I will have 2 meters on the left side and 2 meters on the right side of that centerfold. So how many meters wide should that banner be? Well, no wider than 4 meters wide, right? As soon as it's wider than 4 meters, it will not fit in terms of height under my arch, because right over here, let's say we go over at 4.2 meters, my height will be something like 11.5, and I can no longer fit my banner, which is 12 meters tall.